Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data from S3 to Google BigQuery, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Amazon S3 console. Navigate to the S3 bucket that contains the data you wish to transfer. Select the files or folders you want to export to Google BigQuery. Click on the Actions button and choose to download the selected files to your local machine. Next, log into your Google Cloud Platform console. Navigate to the BigQuery section. Create a new dataset by clicking on the Create Dataset button. Provide a name and relevant details for your new dataset. Once your dataset is created, click on it to open. Select the Create Table option. In the Create Table window, choose Upload for the source. Click on Browse and select the files you previously downloaded from S3. Ensure the file format is correct, such as CSV or JSON. Set the destination table as the table you'd like to create within your dataset. Configure the schema by defining the fields and their data types. Review all configurations to ensure everything is correct. Click on the Create Table button to start importing your data. Once the import is complete, check for any errors in the notification panel. To validate your data, run a simple query against the newly created table. This ensures that everything transferred correctly from S3 to BigQuery. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred data from S3 to Google BigQuery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.